Good morning, students. Today's topic in the subject of pure mathematics A level is roots of quadratic equations. So there are many methods to find the roots of the quadratic equation, but today we are going to solve the quadratic equation through a method that is called factorization. Definitely, you people have solved the questions of quadratic equations through factorization in your O levels. So today we will read the full steps, the full rules of the factorization. I'm sure you haven't solved the questions in O levels through the rules. You have solved the questions through a direct method, but in A levels now understand and learn the rules. The first question is here, that is x square minus 7x plus 6. So we are going to find the roots of this equation through factorization. The first step will be arrange the question in descending order. So this is the first rule. So already the equation is arranged in descending order. So the next step is multiply the coefficient of a quadratic variable with the constant value. So 1, 6 are 6. Write the coefficient of the singular variable with it. Now think a pair of numbers whose multiplication is equal to this one and addition or subtraction equal to this one. So these are actually 6 and 1 because 6 ones are 6, multiplication equal to this one, addition or subtraction, so 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this is the second step. This is the second rule. After deciding the factors, write the singular variable with it. This is the next step. Then check the sign of the constant value. If this is positive, then these two factors will have the same sign, either the positive one or the negative one. So the previous sign will decide which signs will the factors have. So this is minus sign, so both will have minus because this sign has decided that both factors will have same signs, and the previous sign will decide which one, so both will have negative sign. So now ignore the central value and put this pair in place of it. So look now, x square is as it is. Now minus 6x minus x will be put in place of minus 7x. This plus 6 equal to 0 as it is. Now make pairs, take commons. So in first pair, x is common. The remainder will be x minus 6. Before taking common from the second pair, put the sign of the third value first. So now check what is common. So nothing is common, so 1 is common. And because of this minus sign, the signs will be changed. So x minus 6 will be placed inside the bracket equal to 0 as it is. So these two brackets are same now. So write one bracket out of these two same brackets, and the values outside the brackets will be written in the next bracket equal to 0 as it is. From here, take first bracket equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0, write or, and the second bracket equal to 0. From here, x will be equal to 6, and from here x will be equal to 1. So the answer for the x are 6 or 1. So here is another question. We will follow these same steps. So look now. First rule is arrange the question in descending order. The equation is already in descending order. But if the question is not in descending order, the first step will be arrange the equation in descending order. This is the first step now. Next step will be multiply the coefficient of the quadratic variable with the constant value. So this will become 120, and write the coefficient of the singular variable with it. Now think a pair of the numbers whose multiplication is equal to this one. Addition or subtraction equal to this one. So these are actually 15 8 because 15 8s are 120 and their subtraction equal to this one. Okay. After this step, the next step will be write the singular variable with this pair of the values. Okay. Now look at the sign of the constant value because this is minus sign. So if the sign of the constant value is minus, the pair will have opposite signs. Okay. First, make it clear. If the sign of the constant value is minus, this pair will have opposite signs. Okay, which one? Then go to the previous sign. So this minus sign will be with the greater value and opposite sign will be with the lesser value. So this is the pair now. So ignore the central value and put this pair in place of it. So it will become now 12x square minus 15x plus 8x and minus 10 equal to 0 will remain as it is. Okay, at this step, make pairs and take common. In first pair, the maximum thing that can be taken as common is 3x. Remainder will be 4x minus 5. Before taking common from the second pair, write the sign of the third value. And now think, what is common in the next pair? So 2 is common. After taking 2 as common, remainder will be 4x minus 5. Equal to 0 will remain as it is. Now these are two same brackets. So write one bracket out of these two same brackets and the values outside the bracket will be written in the other bracket. From here, both brackets will be taken equal to 0. And from here, x will be find out. So from here, x will be equal to 5 by 4. And from here, x will be equal to minus 2 by 3. So because this is a proper fraction, this is improper fraction. So 1 whole number 1 by 4. So x answers are 1 whole number 1 by 4 or minus 2 by 3. So these are the answers.